Guys, I didn't know that there are actually bees in our house. Like, there's a little tunnel here. Yeah, look. There's a little tunnel here. There are bees in there. And that's so scary. And my dad said, inside of there, a long time ago, they opened this up and like it's deep there. And it's deep there. And when they open it, look, this part, they open it and they come inside and like get all of the water. And there were snakes, dead snakes. Man, look, so pow! Look. And I hate being like smelling like flour. So they're going to come in here. Subscribe. And literally, guys, I actually trust him because there's actually like a billion bees in there, or a million bees, or 100. Oh my God. No, man! No, man! They would talk to us! What in the world was that? Wait. Oh. Am I not stung or something? Yep, I'm not. Keep following! Yeah, guys! Look at that. That's good. Dude, Rockstar! Open up. Let's go back. Mama! Nabis diha! Nabis diha! Bye-bye, guys!